Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ashley Fun Time. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the candy stripe bracelet. This is a really easy and fun friendship bracelet to make, and I really like it. This is for beginners, and it's super simple and easy, and pretty much anybody can do it. What you will need for this is a clipboard, a ruler, yarn or embroidery floss. I'm using red and white, some scissors, and your hands. Let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is take your ruler and measure out 65 to 75 inches. Not centimeters, inches. Once you are done doing your measuring and cutting, you're just going to fold it in half and line up the edges, and then you're just going to go all the way to the top, and you're going to tie a knot where this loop is. Now we're going to place the string right on where our clipboard is. We're going to arrange them just like this, because this is a candy stripe pattern. We're going to arrange them like red, white, red, right. Now we're going to just do this. So you're going to take this string and cross it over the second string and make a shape of a 4. See that? And now we're going to take the very tip of our string and we're going to lift string 2 up, pass it through the bottom of string 2, grab it back up. That forms this shape, and we're going to pull it all the way to the tippy top. And we're going to do this again. So the shape of 4, and then pass it through, and pull tight. Now we're going to go to the next string, which is this string. So I'm going to bring this over here, so just for better viewing. And I'm just going to make that same shape. 4. This, do double knot. I'm going to move over here and do the same thing. So shape of 4. The beginning is kind of tricky, but once you get going, it's not very tricky. Now we're just going to leave this string right over here. We're just going to reassemble all of our strings. Now we're going to do this again. So we're always going to start with this string here, and we're always going to be making a 4. This is called a forward knot because it's the shape of a 4. Remember to always knot twice. And always use the same string that you started off with while you're knotting. As you can see, I have done a couple of rows, and it's already starting to form like a candy cane or a candy stripe. I have done a lot more rows, and you can see that it really has been forming into a candy stripe shape or a candy cane. So I will see you whenever I'm done with all of my stuff and I'm ready to move on to making it into an actual bracelet. See you at the end. Alright everybody, so I am now done with my candy stripe. I accidentally messed up here because I accidentally put 3 sets of candy stripes there. I was not supposed to do that, but I accidentally did. But then I forgot to put this in the video. But all I did was I just tied a knot right there, and then I braided some of the end, and then I tied a double knot, and then that's when I remembered to film this part. So once you've tied your double knot, you're just going to cut your yarn or string or whatever you're using, and then you can make it into a bracelet. It can be a bracelet or whatever you want. I'm going to turn mine into a bracelet. So everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!